The NFT bubble has popped. Anti-NFT people rejoice. Everyone can go back to right-click saving JPEGs that people buy. Or wait, is this an NFT correction? Did everyone pack up their bags of e-liquid JPEGs and go back to their mom's basement? Mom's basement. Yo, his palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. Anyways, mom's spaghetti. Let's break it down if the NFT market bubble is collapsing. What's up, NFT explorers? Mike Damazo here to help you navigate through your metaverse as your no-shill resource. So we're back. I know, I said last time I'll be back, but your boy has been busy, so make sure to tap that thumbs up and stay to the end of the video for some new announcements. In 2020, the NFT marketplace grew more than 2,500% that year alone. It reached 250 million in transactions. With the increasing popularity of NFTs as a way to collect and trade digital assets, we've seen the rise of Wax, Solana, Tezos, Flow, to name a few, that runs alongside Ethereum. Then there was the boom and popularity of celebrities rushing into collections only to suddenly announce their own cash grab drop. Now that the volume of transaction has slowed down, is this the end of the roaring 20s version of Beanie Babies? While yes, it may seem like there is a downtrend of NFT searches in Google, or even less reporting when it comes to mainstream media, it doesn't necessarily mean that the NFTs are done. They are still growing strong because of the uniqueness of NFTs representing digital ownership, blockchain, gaming industry. It is building, and the art sector is still surviving. And if it's one thing for sure, when it comes to crypto, the main objective is to survive. Even major corporations are continuing to explore like NFTs, like Microsoft, Google, Samsung, and most recently Starbucks. Two things I could only ask for if there is a Starbucks NFT drop. It's for them to get my name right and my order of caramel macchiato upside down, 7 pumps of vanilla with whipped cream on top. Now, the way big companies will likely incorporate NFTs is digital art, collectibles, gaming, branding, marketing, and intellectual property. So if anyone is wondering if NFTs are dead, I'd say they're just hibernating. Just last month, the notable Twitter account Punk9059, aka NFT Statistics, reported only 1,800 ETH traded between 13 NFT blue chip collections. The last time the volume was this low was back in November. Looking at the market trend of the 30-day volume, it is down 16% at only 445,000 ETH. If we zoom out more, you can see the significant drop from the beginning of the year, faster than Elon Musk pulling out of buying Twitter. JPEG Summer 2021 looks like it has come to a rest, as last year's artists, influencers, celebrities, and the sports industry use NFTs as a fan engagement tool. However, the 2022 bear market had other plans for monkey pictures. Early 2021 to May 2022 was the NFT boom. It may be the time to accumulate better collections of NFTs or just hold ETH, especially with the merge around the corner. According to Damazo, a blockchain analytics platform, the year-to-date volume is ETH is 7.75 million, wallets is a 2.18 million, and currently the 30-day volume is down 19% with only 432,000 ETH. If you combine that data with Dune Analytics, courtesy of user Hildobby, you see the sharp decline with an all-time high at the start of the year. OpenSea's monthly sales volume in June was only 700 million, which is way off from the 2.6 billion pulled in May. There are more NFT marketplaces now eating away at OpenSea's volume. From LooksRare, an NFT marketplace launched last year as a direct competition, to Magic Eden, a Solana-based NFT marketplace that is now incorporating Ethereum-based NFTs. So many new derivatives of derivatives to rug pulls with anything that has a lot of speculation. The hype is catching up to these digital commodities. Will NFTs recover in its current form? Only time will tell. It was first reported in May about the daily average of NFT sales declining 92% since September, according to website Non-Fungible. Active wallet decline of 88% comparing the numbers to November 2021. Now, 99% of NFTs will go to zero. A NFTs Data Analytics website tracks about 1,500 NFTs and a lot more collections. Metaverse and art will appear. Just 1% of that means only 15 will likely still remain. If you look at the current floor price, two collections that others have mentioned, you'll notice it's likely below their mint price. So is there a solution? Well, be mindful of what you mint or buy on secondary. My golden rule is if an NFT goes to zero, will it affect me in any way? If it doesn't, then I'll purchase it, and I always go with the art and the metaverse and different collections. Then I spend the majority of my time looking on chain to see if the collection is worth buying and selling where I could profit in. Now, Wall Street Journal uses other examples of failed auctions, most likely due to the early stage of development at where NFTs are at the moment. If you rewind back to 2017, CryptoPunks, one of the first NFTs launched on Ethereum, one CryptoPunk was first sold in 2019 at 0.25 ETH, or about $47 at the time. Today, that same CryptoPunk 9468 has a sale price of 90.5 ETH, or about 133K at the time of this recording. And the last time that CryptoPunk was sold was back in April 2021 for 27.99 ETH, or about $74,000 at the time of that sale. Chain Analysis also reported, that is a tongue twister, Chain Analysis also reported that there are about 5 NFTs for every buyer, and Coinbase launched their NFT marketplace, garnering up to 4 million people signing up, but it was definitely a miss with their low volume of sales on their platform. Now, it seems a lot of the NFTs try to add in a utility aspect to get buyers. Take Kevin Smith as an example, planning to sell 5,555 NFTs, tying it to his movie Kilroy Was Here, and only people that have that NFT can view the movie. Utility-focused NFTs are akin to membership passives. The industry is still young with less than a decade under its belt. Growing pains such as a drop in Google Trends, new unique wallets, and sales volume is part of that growth. Let's look at 2 data points, one from Nansen's Trends and Indexes, and the other from Doom's dashboard of NFT market overview. Now, with Nansen, the year-to-date volume is 7.78 million in ETH and 2.2 million wallets, and the 30-day volume is down 25% with only 388,000 ETH in trading volume. It is still more than the 50,000 ETH trading volume back in June 2021, at a healthy level above November 2021 trading volume, with it currently under 100k ETH and still above 50k ETH volume trading. Now, with Dune Analytics, it shows a total of 96 billion in secondary sales, with about 35.6 million in NFT trading count. About 3,800 collections has had over 100 ETH in volume, and less than 500 collections has had 5,000 ETH in trading volume. Lastly, looking over July 2021 compared to July 2022, the numbers above from the previous year split among new marketplaces. So what do you think? Are NFTs dead? Will we ever see that high trading volume of January 2022 again? Sound off below and leave a GM in the comments. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up because it brings you good luck. Make sure to subscribe and turn the notifications on for in-depth NFT breakdowns. Watch the next video about other NFT projects, tools, and trends. Stay legendary, and I'll see you in the metaverse.